Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to use Zelle without a traditional bank account. If you've ever wondered if it's possible to tap into this fast and easy money transfer service without the hassle of a full bank setup, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is Zelle? It's a digital payment app that lets you send and receive money directly from your linked account, often in minutes. It's super popular for splitting bills or sending cash to friends, but here's the catch: Zelle is typically tied to a US bank or credit union that participates in their network. So, if you don't have one, it might seem tricky. But don't worry, there are some workarounds that could work for you. The key is to look into prepaid debit cards or mobile wallets that partner with Zelle. For instance, some prepaid cards from banks like those offered by certain financial services are eligible. This way, you can enroll in Zelle without a standard checking account. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Find a prepaid debit card that supports Zelle. Check the card issuer's website or app for the Zelle logo. It's a good sign if it's there. Step 2. Download the Zelle app from your phone's app store and sign up. You'll need to enter your debit card details during enrollment. Step 3. Verify your identity. This usually involves a quick confirmation via email or text to ensure everything's secure. Now, keep in mind, not all prepaid cards will work, and there might be limits on how much you can send or receive. Plus, fees could apply, so always read the fine print to avoid surprises. If this doesn't pan out, consider opening a basic online bank account that supports Zelle. Many are easy to set up and come with no monthly fees. In the end, while using Zelle without a bank account isn't straightforward, it's doable with the right tools. Remember, safety first. Never share sensitive info and double-check transactions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.